Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a blog post content using Claude AI. Here we can go and type Claude AI, then open this website. Here we need to create a free account. Click here, continue with Google, then select one of the Gmail account. Okay, now here you can type anything. You can easily generate code, you can generate any type of text and many more. Here you can see these are different AI models that you can select. So let me select this one. After that, now simply you need to use this prompt. So I will give you link in the description. You can easily get this file. So I can copy it, and then here add it. So now just we need to add here blog title. For example, let me add plumbing services in USA. Here we can add the keyword services. After that again I can copy and then add here this one. Now scroll down, then simply click here this one, and here you can see it has started working on it. Here you can see article is ready. So on the top it have meta description, then after that post title, then primary keyword, secondary keyword, then description, and after that if I scroll down, here you can see this one looks like human writing. So that looks perfect, easy to read. So now just you can copy it, and after that you can easily publish this content in your website. So simply you can click on this button to get this file in your laptop. So now if you want to generate any other content, then simply you can type here. Now you don't need to add again the prompt.